tax maritime and strategic sector. We see that now there is this Iran war, everybody is looking everywhere, just to find the solutions. No one is looking to the belly. So please, as we did mention before, the intrinsic value, 100 years of goodwill, talent, invest, your cadets invest, your maritime employment, bring 44 million jobs, maritime sector, and the long term, because Europe is the appendix of the planet. Now also let's talk about the tax maritime strategic sector. We have Estonia, a flag, and Estonia seafarers, they have zero tax. Thank you very much indeed. I guess also they have really free pension plans for the government. Why? Because they are the only profession that bring money to Estonia. So we pay you politicians and then you waste it. But we pay seafarers from Estonia and they bring it to Estonia from foreign seafarers. They are heroes. Now, well, we do have discriminations because some countries in Europe do have these zero tax, but others like Italy, Spain, Germany, Dutch, French, Greek, all the other countries, they have to pay their own tax and bureaucracies, and they have to get the Codice Fiscales, the endorsements, the local documents, even exams. Chief engineer in Spain must do this exam about Spanish law, maritime law, and also we have other countries within Europe that have zero tax, like for example Monaco, and we can really compete with those? Of course not. Now, is it time that you regulate that? Okay, they cannot anymore compete within our waters, or can we compete under the same terms conditions because we were here before them, weren't we? Spain was here like about 66 million years ago, I guess, before this meteorite boom came to the Basque Country and really eliminated the dinosaurs. And since then, we have this competitive advantage, but now you are killing with tax and bureaucracy. Now, can you please get your act together and have us all compete under the same terms conditions? Thank you. Goodbye.